Talk about great access. Here's an air handling unit. The sprinkler line right here. I don't even know where that goes. Got a big drain line right here, tucked in this insulation. At least it's soft. Some pipes that go that way. This is funny. Talk about great access. PVC drain lines. I'm surprised it's legal. That's the water that goes down to the toilet. Well, no, that stuff goes to the toilet next door. Huh. Something over there. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Is it damper there? Is that for exhaust? I don't know. Okay, this is apartment 4C, 1-bedroom line. We're up in the kitchen ceiling, access hatch, air handler 4-5. I do not see any shut-off valves. I see the kitchen exhaust duct, sprinkler line. I see the supply plenum goes out that way. More sprinkler lines.